Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new vlog and the last trip of 2025. I was not sure कि मैं इस बार vlog करूँ या नहीं, but I was just like कर ही लेते हैं, पता नहीं upload करेंगे या नहीं, but it's okay, चालू तो करते हैं. This is my railway station fit, loving the fit, very Christmassy vibes because today is the 26th December. I'm still in the holiday mood. Anyways, अगर आपको मेरे voice से पता चल रहा है, I have come down with a really bad cold. My nose is just running. What's new in it? It's of course रोज की बात है. But coming right now हमारी ट्रेन 10 बजे की है and right now it is 8 o'clock almost and मैं उठ गई थी almost 1.5 hours पहले. I woke up at 6:30, so that's great. But what I'm doing right now, if you can see, is on my laptop I am editing the Puri vlog, which is like मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता एडिट करने का, तो आई थॉट जस्ट ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं तो एडिट कर लेते बिकॉज विल बी लीविंग द होम अराउंड 8:15ish एंड ऑफकोर्स एवरीथिंग इज पैक्ड. मेरा पीछे बैग है, इफ यू गाइस कैन सी. So all in all it's done, and also I'm watching Stranger Things, so like multitasking pro max. Anyways, I'll get to the station, board the train, and then vlog again with you guys. Also guys, almost 90% of you watching this channel aren't subscribed to my channel, so what are you waiting for? Christmas to chala gaya. Anyways, go hit that subscribe button right now, and you guys can also follow me on my Instagram. The handle is right here on the screen. Now without me blabbering much, let's actually jump into this vlog. Again, welcome back to bathroom vlogs. I can't vlog in here because it smells rancid, जैसे normally train का bathroom होता है. But we are on board the Shantiniketan Express, and in 2 hours we'll be in Bolpur. So yay! Me and my mom swing দেখে আমরা বসে পড়েছি. কিছু বলো, শান্তিনিকেতন এসে কিরকম লাগছে?
ভীষণ নস্টালজিক হয়ে পড়েছি, খুব নস্টালজিক লাগছে।
কেন?
আমার ভীষণ প্রিয় জায়গা শান্তিনিকেতন।
এই নিয়ে কতবার এলে? 3 বার মেবি. হ্যাঁ. Let me quickly give you guys a room tour. We are in room 102 and 104. तो घुसते के साथ ही this is the view, which is not really bad honestly. Anyways, just let's quickly give the room tour. यहाँ पे थोड़ा cupboard situation है, थोड़ा बैठने की जगह. Of course, you have your basic bedside table with the intercom. This is the main, I think, king size bed जो भी बोलो. And कितने cute से इन लोगों ने tiles जाके थे. There's the AC, and then connecting over here is my room. There's a little cupboard. There's another TV over here, and this is the bed situation. Again, super cute, super cozy honestly. यहाँ पे भी अलग से AC है. Oh wow, the washroom is surprisingly big and clean. washroom अभी हम लोगों ने ऑर्डर कर दिया है लंच के लिए. बेसिक एग चिकन फिश थाली वो खाएंगे. एंड आई एम नॉट एक्जैक्टली श्योर व्हाट इज एक्शन ऑफ प्लान. मैं आके वापस रेडी होंगी बिकॉज आई हैव थॉट ऑफ 2 लुक्स. नॉट रियली क्रिएटिंग लुक्स बट जस्ट ऐसे ही फॉर फनसीज. ऑफ कोर्स आए हैं तो एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे फैशंस के. लेट्स फ्रेशन अप अ लिटिल बिट, हैव सम लंच, गेट रेडी एंड देन विल हेड आउट. ओके, बट दिस जस्ट लुक्स सो डैम रॉयल. दिस इज द चिकन थाली, दिस इज द एग थाली, दैट इज द फिश थाली. ओह माई गॉड, दिस लेजिट लुक्स लाइक मैं अभी किसी राजमहल आ गई. उन लोगों ने मुझे ऐसे दिया. इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल. आई एम अ Mala Paglu so much so that I've changed districts to just come here to witness the infamous Posh Mala. Also, this is my fit, if you guys can see. वहाँ पे जाके I'm showing you guys a little bit more. জলপরি আপনাদের সঙ্গে দেখা. Just got done with the Posh Mala. I definitely have a lot of thoughts. Let's go back to the hotel and then we will catch up again. Just got back to the hotel. But अभी बाहर मैंने just देखा हमारे होटल में bonfire हो रहा है. So of course I'm gonna go sit there and it's really cold. मतलब all the while I was wearing this, I was not feeling really cold because मेला था. मेले में enthalpy ज़्यादा थी. So I was not feeling like दूसरे लोगों के enthalpy से मुझे भी ज़्यादा उतने ठंड नहीं लग रही थी. But the more we just came to the interiors, it was just so much more colder. Signing off for the night. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the Shonajri Hut, which is the very popular thing in Shantiniketan. Also Kopai Nodir Pade. That's the plan for today. Last both the vacations that we had, it was more like of a chill vibe rather than having like a strict itinerary and following everything. And I'm honestly really liking it. So signing out. See you guys tomorrow. वेलकम टू डे 2 एंड आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी. मैं बहुत पहले उठ गई थी बट यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइमिंग्स आर लिटिल डिफरेंट. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अराउंड 10 इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग एंड वी हैड ओरिजिनली प्लान कि हम लोग 10 बजे यहाँ से निकलेंगे. सो एनीवेज आई एम गोना गेट रेडी. आई एम गोना डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेकअप बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली. एंड अभी मेरी चाय आ गई है सो आई एम गोना हैव सम टी. पूरा पीछे इट्स अ मेस सो आई एम गोना डू माय मेकअप, गेट रेडी एंड देन कैच अप विद यू गाइस.
बहुदिन भाव तरंगे.
So I'm all ready and I'm really loving my look today. This is what I'm wearing. This is a skirt, my black top, and I have layered 2 chokers. It's all giving very extra, but I'm loving it. But my hair is a mess, तो उसका कुछ figure out करते हैं. But breakfast has been served, so we're gonna go grab some breakfast and then we'll fix our hair. Look at my ear cuffs. Oh my god, loving it. Let's go grab some breakfast.
ভেসেছি কতই রঙে সুজনের সঙ্গে হবে.
I am seriously never getting over this look today. Like I think I just killed it. I know I say that every time. It is 11:30 almost. We're supposed to get out by 10. I know, very derailed plans. But you know, breakfast की वजह से थोड़ा late हो गया. So we booked a Toto that's gonna come. So we are basically waiting for that. And I'm swinging, which is my favorite activity basically. So let's wait. Also I clicked a ton of like self portraits. मैंने खुद खींचे. And anyways just थोड़ा wait करते हैं. दिन वैसे ही डिले हो चुका है, so not much that can be done really.
দেখা শোনা তারে আমার আমার মনে করি আমার হয়ো.
Just got done with the Konkali Tola. It is apparently a Shakti Peeth, but it was so much fun. मतलब मंदिर तो देखा, that was so nice, so beautiful. But we also danced with the tribal ladies. It was just such an amazing, like you know, thing. I did it twice actually, but मजा आया. The humor is literally darker than my future. Okay, I spotted someone making a TikTok over there, and that is the Nadi that they're talking about. And ऊपर वैसे
আর হইল না তারে আমার
फाइनली पूरा दिन घूम घाम के वी आर गोइंग टू द infamous सोनाझुरी हाट.
আমার মনে করি আমার হয়ো আর হইল না দেখেছি.
So I kind of forgot to give you guys an update. We came back almost 1 hour ago and थोड़ा सा chai and snacks खा के we've come back to our room. Coming to Posh Mela again. Nothing out of the blue. Yes, the scale is spectacular. The scale in which the Mela is. It is like over 2,000 stalls are there in one place. But again, it is nothing extraordinary. Posh Mela में the prices I feel like Kolkata Melas के comparison में is a little bit less. Again, it has its own charm. I'm not dismissing that by any means. Just that I felt it is nothing extraordinary, honestly. But that's again just my opinion.
That's my opinion.
Right now we're gonna just chill a bit, थोड़ा सा rest लेंगे, and then we're gonna have some dinner. And I can't believe this holiday has also come to an end. Like at this point of my life, we can only afford holidays and vacations for like the weekend. But yeah, like it just got by too fast. I have realized I'm so not a winter person. Literally, it is just 15 degrees and I'm like shivering so much.
রূপসাগরে মনের মানুষ কাঁচা সোনা.
Just got done with dinner and it was very cold. Okay, even though it was 15 degrees, I was shivering. Doesn't matter. थोड़ा बहुत packing कर लेते हैं because tomorrow we have to leave. Also the train situation is kind of dicey. लास्ट टाइम की तरह इस बार भी जाने और आने दोनों का टिकट्स वेटिंग लिस्ट में था. आने का फॉर्चुनेटली एकदम लास्ट मोमेंट में कंफर्म हो गया. अभी जाने का इज़ ऑन वेटिंग लिस्ट नंबर 14. वाओ, जस्ट इमेजिन. तो पता नहीं कंफर्म हो गया नहीं. एंड द ट्रेन इज़ सपोजिटली 1 बजे की टुमारो. सो वी वेट.
the next day.
Hey guys, good morning. It is the last day. I don't know if I've updated you guys yesterday or not, but थोड़ा सा लफड़ा तो हो गया था. लफड़ा in the sense कि our train, the tickets just got cancelled actually. आने के टाइम भी just like the पूरी situation हमारा train का tickets were not confirmed. It was in the waiting list. But in the last moment, of course, all the times it has gotten confirmed. And इस बार भी honestly confirm हो जाता. But there were a few factors to consider. That is कि आज Sunday है and most of the people are going to obviously be returning today. So and the tickets were booked well in advance, like at least a month over. So don't even come at me for that. He all did not book the tickets in advance. It's absolutely not that. So it was in waiting list initially 20, 29, 30 ऐसा कुछ था. And lastly अभी waiting list 3, 4, 5 पे आके रुक गया. Chart prepared, so tickets got cancelled एकदम last minute में. We have opted for an alternative which is like a car which will just take us from here to our home, of course, and that is costing way much more than your normal tickets would, but it's okay. Like desperate times call for desperate measures. Anyways, that's what the fix has been till now. Right now it is just 8:30 a.m. in the morning and I have woken up actually like 1.5 hours before, and I'm really proud of myself for that. मैं Sunday के दिन 7 बजे उठी हूँ. But right now I'm gonna go out and have some breakfast, and आज का प्लान ये है कि हमारी गाड़ी तो हमने बोला कि 1 बजे आएगी, तो विल लीव हियर एट 1 o'clock. तो उससे पहले थोड़ा सा टाइम है, सो मे बी विल अगेन गो टू द पोस्ट माला एंड बाय लिटिल सोवेनियर्स एंड स्टफ हियर एंड देयर. देखते हैं क्या पसंद आता है नहीं आता है. बट नाउ विदाउट मी ब्लैबरिंग मच, लेट्स गो ग्रैब सम ब्रेकफास्ट. फिर से वापस आ गए हैं हम लोग इन द पोस्ट माला एंड इट्स इन द मॉर्निंग, तो थोड़ा सा एम्प्टी सा है. तो अभी थोड़ा बहुत रिमेनिंग जो शॉपिंग है कर लेंगे, सिंस वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस इन द कार ऑनेस्टली, तो थोड़ी बहुत शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं.
सोना
This has got to be hands down my most favorite spot in the entire homestay, resort, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we just got back from the post mala one last time, and can you believe it, मतलब इतनी सुबह भी काफ़ी भीड़ थी actually, not gonna lie. So we got just some knickknacks, a few things here and there like souvenirs and stuff, and now we are waiting. 12:30 को lunch करेंगे and by 1 we'll head out. And I'm kind of sad that this vacation is also over. What the hell?
দেখেছি রূপসাগরে মনের মানুষ.
Just got back 5-10 minutes ago. I look like a mess anyways. I thought it's imperative that I end the vlog here, and abhi main just bag empty करके सारी चीज़ें निकाल रही हूँ. So that's that, because I just don't wanna just ऐसे फेंक के रखना, because last time भी आके मैं इतना procrastinate करने लगी थी and I was just not getting any weekend free. तो मिला है, अभी कर लेते थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. Anyways, I'll meet you guys in my next one. Till then I have to edit my puri vlog first, then upload this vlog. Anyways, I'll meet you guys in the next one. And if you like this video, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, be kind to yourself and others. Bye.
কালো তলে কুচলা তলে ডুবলো সোনাটা